Okay, one more example of factoring by grouping here. In example 3b, we are going to factor 5x squared minus 18x minus 8. And again, just like in example 3a, I don't have a common term all the way through, and my a value is not 1. So this strategy of factoring by grouping is really, really helpful. Again, our first step is to multiply a times c. And if I do that, 5 times negative 8, I get negative 40. Step 2, we list out what numbers multiply through negative 40 and are also going to add up to negative 18. So my options here, 1 and 40 is not going to work, 2 and 20. Oh, that works. 2 times negative 20 doesn't. So 2 times negative 20 adds up, multiplies to negative 40. 2 plus negative 20 adds up to negative 18. Okay, that's my pair that I wanted. Step 3, we rewrite our original, but break apart this middle term. So I'm going to write plus 2x minus 20x minus 8. One of the good things about factoring by grouping too is that we can rewrite these two terms in any order. Now just kind of blending in some of the rest of our steps here. After we rewrite, factor out our greatest common factor from each pair. 5x squared plus 2x, number-wise, they only have a 1 in common, but we could factor out an x. X times 5x is 5x squared, and then x times 2 gives me 2x. And right here, negative 20x minus 8. Follow our sign here. This is a negative, so I want a negative factored out. Minus 4. 4 times 5 is 20. X. Negative 4 times positive 2 is negative 8. And one thing to be careful with, I don't remember if I mentioned this in the first video, is that these two factors should be the same. If they're not, you messed up somewhere. We factor out our common factor here, 5x plus 2. X minus 4 is left over. That's my second factor. And we are done.